Hey everyone, it's Cosmo. Today we are unboxing the new Spectacles 24 AR glasses from Snap. Let's get into it. All right. So here is the box. It's a nice small black box with some plastic wrapping. So we're going to open this up. This plastic off. Okay, so the box is pretty simple. It has this nice spot gloss finish with spectacles, and yeah, it's pretty simple. So I'm going to open it up like this. Actually, open up this way for you. And there it is. So the build quality of the box itself is quite nice. It has this thick cardboard, and I like that it has this very simple, clean, I don't know if you can read it here, it says seeing is believing in this like spot finish. And here are the glasses. So it comes out like this. Has this protective plastic wrapping on it. Let's see. And let's just slide out this cardboard. Don't need that, don't need that. So we'll come back to these in a moment. What else is in the box here? Got this little bag with a nice Snapchat yellow toggle kind of thingy. And then we also have a charging cable, which is braided, and it looks like a right angle bracket USB-C cable. Cool. So nothing else in the top here now. I am noticing there is this pull-out drawer here with, again, nice yellow Snapchat branding, and inside is this protective case for the top part of the glasses, the front of the glasses. Now it's not quite, a case that goes around the whole thing, but it looks like if I come over here, it clips on to the front here. So we'll do that in a moment. And then on the inside as well, there's some instructions and legal business tucked away in here. And that is all that is in the package. I like this two-tier design where they have the glasses here in the top and then this little pull-out drawer. So I'm going to pull this away, stash it down here, and let's take a look at the glasses. So I'm going to take off this protective film. Very nice. And then looks like there's some paper business here, so I'll just take that off. Okay. So taking a look at the glasses themselves, here they are. They're definitely a bit thick, but for cutting edge AR glasses, pretty good as a standalone product. That's pretty neat. On the front here, you have two cameras, and then on the top sides of the glasses, you have a power button, and I think this is a screen recording button. And then on the underside, looks like there's some speakers on both sides. And then I think this is the back here is where the battery is stored. And then you have USB-C for charging here. And so, of course, you also got the waveguide on here and here, and you have some micro projectors on the side here, which is where they're stored. So if I fold it up, this is what it looks like folded up. Pretty compact. And then let me show you what this looks like with this thing on here. So this is the case, has this latch here, which I just open like that. and then this comes in like this. It's quite simple. So this case protects the front part, which is very nice, and then this whole thing goes in the bag like this. So we got the spectacles, case, bag, and charging cable, and some some stuff for setting it up. So let's see what it looks like. Whoa. They're not powered on yet, but let's see if they have any juice left. So if I press and hold. Yep, okay, they're booting up. I see the word spectacles floating out in front of me. And then I'll take a moment to load in here. So this is actually the second pair that I have right now, which is kind of funny. So here's the other one. So maybe, if I put them on at the same time, I can like enter and even enter some other reality. Whoa, dude. So thank you for watching. This has been an unboxing of the new Spectacles 24, and if you want to take a look at some of my more detailed thoughts of what I like, what I dislike about this developer kit, you can take a look at the video linked here. So again, thank you for watching. If you'd like to stay in touch and stay connected, you can subscribe to my free email newsletter, Magic Beans, at magicbeansnewsletter.com. And I also hope you subscribe and follow. So have a wonderful new year, and I'll see you soon.